Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into COX internet account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.cox.com. After you come across this official page, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account and your valid password. If you want your device to remember user ID, then check the box that says Remember User ID. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not remember user ID or password, then you can click on Forgot User ID and Forgot Password links respectively. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up Today link. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into COX internet account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.